This is going to be another video where I take a road bike and convert it to a flat handlebar. I'm going to try it on this Apollo, but I'm going to kind of ignore all of my advice in the last video. So I'm going to mix brands. I'm going to use mountain bike brake levers and just see how that goes. The front shifter I'm going to use for the gears, it's numbered, it's SRAM. The gears on the bike are actually Shimano, but it moves one small click at a time, so it's not indexed. And the reason I say that is because that's a 3-speed and this is a 2-speed, and this apparently has got a different pull rate to a mountain bike, but I'm thinking those small clicks should mean that it won't really matter. And also this this has got a rear wheel in it that's too big, that the tyre nearly rubs on the rear brake caliper, and the bike originally would have been 16 speed, but that's only a 7-speed rear wheel. So it's going to be a bit of fun to see if I can make it all work. And also it'd just be good to see if all of that stuff really matters, if the cable pull difference in a mountain bike brake lever really does make it work bad, or, you know, see if you can just use old mountain bike bits. So cool, I'm going to make a start and then cut back once I've done some work. So this is it, about halfway done now. The handlebars are on. I've fitted a new saddle, stripped off the chain, and just done a few tweaks and adjustments. So yeah, I think I'm going to go wash it now and then cable it up and then cut back, and you can see it finished. Hopefully it's going to work. Okay, so it's done. And it does actually work. The brakes seem fine. You know, I can't say you can really notice any like issue. Yeah, so if there is a pull rate difference, I think in reality it doesn't seem to really matter. The front gears shift perfect. The rear gears would shift properly anyway, because many Apollos do come from Halfords with SRAM shift and Shimano rear derailleur up to a 7-speed, so I kind of knew that would work. Yeah, I mean, you can't really say there's anything wrong with it. I mean, it's, you know, being a road bike, there's only 2 speeds at the front, and this is 3 speeds. But, you know, I left that in its lowest setting as you would when you set it up anyway. So, in effect, the inner chain ring that's missing is not there, and now this one becomes 1, and that one becomes 2. Instead of, you know, 1, 2, and then 3. And then you can only go as far as getting onto the second chain ring, but it doesn't matter, because the cable restricts the you know, the twist motion. And where it's indexed, even if there is a pull rate, you'll find a click that works. I had to fit a new rear derailleur, fitted a new chain, new inner cables, recycled some old outer cables, and it works. Like, you know, so kind of makes me think you don't necessarily have to, you know, spend hours searching for the correct, perfect road specific parts. You know, if you have some old mountain bike bits, they do work. So yeah, good. Interesting experiment.